Where are we going?
Go at yoga.
At yoga?
Yeah.
With who?
This car.
With Jessica?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. That'll be fun.
You're coming?
With you and Jessica?
Yeah.
All right. Let's.
Lulu.
And Lulu, what do you need to go do yoga?
Well, lay down.
Yeah.
Lay down.
We're gonna lay down. All right.
Mommy, you coming with Jessica and Lulu and Gary?
Okay.
You coming and Gary and Lulu and Jessica?
Is that your mat?
Yeah.
Cool.
We do yoga.
Yeah.
Mommy, you coming?
Okay. Show me your yoga moves.
No.
Are you doing yoga?
Yeah.
What move is that?
Is that
What pose?
lay down? Wow.
That's the lay down pose.
Yeah.
Cool pose, dude.